Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Ubisoft account with your Xbox account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in ubisoft.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Ubisoft website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your credentials. After logging in, if you wish to connect your Xbox account with Ubisoft, just click on your account icon once again and then click on Account Management. Now from the Account Management page, go ahead and click on Account Information, and now if you scroll down, you will see the various different linked accounts option. Now underneath Xbox, go ahead and click on the link button and then you can proceed forward with logging in to your Xbox account right away. Once you have logged in to your Xbox account using your credentials, you can simply authorize your permission, and after doing so, your account will be linked to your Xbox account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to link your Xbox account with Ubisoft Connect. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.